Fixing water dripping from an air conditioner. Is your air conditioner dripping water inside your room? Don't ignore it. This small problem can damage your walls, ceiling, and even your AC unit. In this video, I'll show you the real causes and how to fix them step by step. Here's why. Blocked drain pipe stops water from flowing out. Dirty air filter causes ice buildup. Low refrigerant freezes the coil. Ice melts and causes water leakage. Clean the drain pipe regularly. Wash your air filter every 2 to 4 weeks. Call a technician for gas refill. For watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.